Hello, if you need a gateway, you know what I mean? From Oceania continent, you need a gateway to US, European Union, United Kingdom. Oh my God, you have to wait for it here because your girl is coming with a bang. Okay, now, when we talk of immigration, we should be talking of return of investment because that's what many people are missing. I don't want you to pay over £1,300 on visa application and you'll be denied. Not only denied, when you get into the country to go through the system to get citizenship will be a lot of hell fire. So, but now, you can go to a beautiful country that is not even more than the population is not even up to 20,000. Yes, you heard it here. The population of this country is not up to 20,000. But this country, visa free, on arrival to United States of America, on arrival with they need technocrats. You know, when they say they need they need IT people because everybody is in tech and many government officials and many government parastatals are moving to technology to help them get, you know, innovation gear up there. So now this country wants you. They want young people, energetic and intelligent people, well-educated people like you and watching me here. So now, if you have been looking for or you want to migrate, you don't know the gateway to Britain, EU, or USA, you are in the right channel. And that will be opening your eyes, telling you, country, that Nigeria is visa-free. Visa on a level. You know, when Nigerians get there at the gates of the immigration, the officers have to tell them, now you are welcome. Welcome to this beautiful country, island situated in Oceania. Okay, now, I will see you and I will be right back with the real gist and how you need to go about it. See you. Okay guys, this is a quick video. I will not make it long, so don't worry yourself. It will not be long. Now, there's a country in Oceania bordering New Zealand, Australia, and openly. Don't go to Philippines because you will not get return of investment. Obviously, their visa will not give you a return of investment for your stress, for your wahala, for your money, for your time, because obviously time is money. So instead of going to Philippines or instead of wasting your time when you are already 30 years, I'm talking of people that have age limitation now, because the way UK is going, even people that are 25 years are old, because they are trying to, you know, cramp hand on people that are coming here to benefit on retirement package plan. No. So if you are already 30 and you are struggling or with your migration problems, please come here and we will solve it together. There's a country, and I don't know, I can't call it island, and I can't call it a big country, but they are closer to New Zealand, they are closer to Australia, and they are more closer to Canada, and they are more closer to Philippines. So they are in here. So now, if you are trying where you can start off your career and get quick citizenship that will give you gateway to America, EU, and British and Britain, you are in the right channel. And the country is no other country than Palau. Palau, P-A-L-A-U. Palau. I think they played cricket one time. So, you know, it is in games that we hear about these countries that, you know, we don't normally hear about when we are in Africa. So, now, I'm so sorry, my alarm is buzzing and I can't just leave here. So, now, you can go to Palau on visa on arrival. Is gateway to United States of America. Is gateway to New Zealand. Is gateway to Australia. Is gateway to Canada. Is gateway to Britain. Britain made of Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland, and England. Is gateway to Northern Ireland and European Union. All the countries in the European Union. Palau citizens can visit there and can work there. So you have it here. So now we will talk about the jobs or how you have to go to. If you are into IT, it's free access for you. It's free access to everybody, but I don't like us. I don't like us blacks or Africans going to these countries without any plan. It irritates me because you will be susceptible to crime. Because you don't plan, you don't have any plan to sustain yourself. That's why I know it's visa free. Don't get me wrong, I know it's visa free, but don't go to any country, whether visa free or visa on arrival, without any plan how to sustain yourself or how to start life. And if you ask me, I will say take a small course in a college so that when you're doing that small course, because it's a cheap country, the food are cheap there, so you will not struggle with food or housing. Housing is cheap, so you will not struggle with 2,000 United States of American dollars, which is their currency. They use American dollars. Yes, they don't have any currency. They use the United States of America, and America, America military, whatever, have their hard ways. Military hardwares in that country, so they use United States of American dollar, so you don't need to start exchanging any dollar. So their currency, the official currency, is United States of American dollar. So please, $2,000 will get you into this country, get you into a college where you will start understanding the system, start understanding the country, start knowing. Don't just go and be loitering the streets and they will be calling police and you'll be showing them Nigerian passport, Ghana passport, Kenyan passport. No, have a plan. Then move in with your plan. So in this screen, and I'll be showing you the colleges that are in this country that you have to go and research about the courses that are aligned, because I can't start telling you about the courses in the colleges I'm showing you in the screen, because it's a country that is not up to 20,000 people, and it is still controlled by United States of America. To this minute, they are still using American currency, and they have free access to United States of America and to United Kingdom and to all the countries in the European Union. So their citizenship is even more heavier than most countries in EU or in American continent. So now you have seen the deal. So the next step is apply in any of this college and start moving. Move and stay in the system. Do you know why I say you should use a course, a small training? You know why? It is an evidence to the day you arrive in this country. So their citizenship is 3 years. It is an evidence that in this country that you arrive in so date. So your dates start counting, because you can't just walk up to them and say that you have spent 3. No, you have to be in the system. So the certificate you got from the college will prove that you arrived to this country at so date and time, so that your citizenship that is between 3 years and 5 years will be quicker. So this is the way to do it, and this is common sense. So, and I'll be ending this video here. Like I said, I don't want to make it this gateway to America so big. And you've seen all the things you need and where to apply your visa in this screen. Apply for a visa. You don't even need a visa. I'm so sorry. You don't even need a visa. What am I saying? This is where you to apply the colleges to apply. You can move tomorrow. You don't need a visa. But it's quite fine. It's in Oceania continent. And I wish you luck. And help me spread this message to your friends, your family members, your parents, your siblings, your colleagues, your peers, and your associates. And again, please put on your notification button on, and I will be right back with the next video. And thank you so much for staying with us till this minute. And bye-bye from me. And leave your notification button on.